Hello everyone. Today we're diving into how you can bring your still photos to life using Canva. Animating your photos can turn them into engaging, dynamic visuals, perfect for enhancing your design projects. Let's walk through the process step by step. Begin by uploading your desired photo to the Canva editor. Adjust its size and orientation to fit your needs by dragging its corners. Once your photo is in place, click on Edit Photo and then select Magic Studio. From there, choose Magic Grab and allow some time for Canva to process the image. After the processing is complete, click on the photo that was separated from the image. Then click on Animate and select the Breathe option. Move the scale slider to the maximum to enhance the effect. Next, click on the background image to select it. Apply the same Breathe animation to it and scale it to the maximum as well. This will ensure both elements of your photo are animated harmoniously. Now that your animation is ready, you can download it to your device. Choose the appropriate format for your needs, and your animated photo is now ready to be shared or used in your projects. That's all for today's tutorial on how to animate a still photo in Canva. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy creating!